This is Cami from Torch, and today I'm going to show you a hospitality and travel industry use case for augmented reality. More specifically, I'm going to walk you through a booking process with embedded AR. So let's jump in where we would usually start this process in an app where we searched for hotels. I've already put in a search for Dubai in specific dates, but as we scroll through the results, we'll see that some of them offer AR and some of them don't, as clued by a small icon in the top right corner of each result. Let's hit See Results in AR and see what pops up. It opens up Torch and we see this beautiful and inspiring map of Dubai and get a real feel for what vacationing there might be like. We can also tap a card of a hotel and see more details about the rooms. Details such as where it is in the hotel and what it looks like. If viewers tap each card for the hotel room, they can see these floor plans in 3D and even compare them. Or as you see here, make a large tabletop version to get a better feel for what the whole room is like. From here, viewers can even dive in to see a room scale view they can interact with. As this card lets you know, you can walk around the room if you have the space, but if you don't, there's other options for that. As AR designers, we should encourage movement where appropriate, but not everyone will be able to move around. So we need to provide experience options for them as well. Here I'm walking around the room, but let's go back and see what it's like to view a room individually. Someone might be looking over the whole room on the tabletop, but then getting small details by jumping in, like the bathroom. You can see we're not moving around a ton, but we are able to see all the amenities of the room. You know, what's the shower like? What's the sink like? Pretty much all the details except for the water pressure. From here, if we're feeling pretty pleased, we can jump back out and finish the process by hitting the button that says, "Book this room" in front of our model. This will take us to a page that remembers a lot of the details that we put in, but doesn't assume all of them. This is nice because we can go from experiencing the room in AR to immediately booking it without having to use separate applications. Realistically, this would be an app that has Torch embedded into it, but for this case, I used Figma and linked that to Torch instead. I also created all my 2D assets in Figma, and the 3D models were made in Cinema 4D, but all the interactions and animations you see here are completely built with Torch. I hope you found this inspirational. If you build projects of your own, be sure to use #BuiltWithTorch. Thanks. Bye.